Now, the simple answer to this is that second conditionals practically do not exist in Hindi. I won't boggle you with the theory behind it here. That's for the YouTube long format. For now, let's get practical right away. Okay, so I want you to translate this sentence for me. अगर मैं अमीर होता तो ये घर अभी खरीद लेता. So, if your answer was anything like, if I were rich, I would buy this house right away, then you're spot on. This one's the second conditional in English, and second conditional says, मान लो अगर अभी ऐसा होता, पर ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. The hypothetical or the unreal case in the present or future, which perfectly checks out because in our sentence, the person can't become rich in a heartbeat and buy the house. Here's the structure on the screen. The second conditional uses the past simple and would. Now, I want you to translate yet another one for me. This time the sentence, अगर मैं कल रात पार्टी में होता तो मैं भी बहुत मज़े करता. You would agree the Hindi sentence structure hasn't changed at all. This time, however, the correct answer is, if I had been at the party last night, I too would have enjoyed a lot. Or its formal inversion, had I been at the party last night, I too would have enjoyed a lot. This is the third conditional, and the principle behind it is, काश तब ऐसा किया होता या हुआ होता पर अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, which reflects perfectly in our sentence because the speaker can't go back in time to the party again. And here's the structure for you. It uses had and would have. Now, here's the final one for you. Please translate, अगर मैंने पढ़ लिया होता तो आज मैं डॉक्टर होता. Now, this time around, the answer is a blend of the first two. If I had studied, I would be a doctor today. And this, dear friends, is the mixed conditional, which works on the precept गलती तब हुई थी और उसका असर या अफसोस आज भी है. So for the galati which was in the past, we use if I had studied, borrowing had from the third conditional. And since the regret is in the present, we use I would be a doctor today, borrowing would from the second conditional. You use mixed conditionals when the cause is in the past and the result is still true in the present, whether or not there is regret. So it's very natural to end up confused. All the three Hindi sentences were very similar, yet their outcomes were different in English. So how is a Hindi speaker or any non-native speaker to know? Some simple guidelines. If it's not possible in the present and it's wishful or imaginary thinking, use the second conditional. If you're talking about a past situation that's over and can't be changed now, usually with regret or in hindsight, use the third conditional. And if the mistake or choice was in the past, but its effect is still true today, use the mixed conditional. I know this may feel a bit overwhelming. Please do check out the caption and the pinned comment. You'll find 10 sets of sentences, giving you 30 sentences overall.